guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this video is something that you should definitely watch. These are the things that I wish I knew sooner. When I was a kid, I would have been so different. So this video is really special because I am not doing my makeup today. This video is only us talking. These are the things that I wish I knew when I was younger, and I think I kind of knew these things, but I didn't kind of implement it. And now when I'm 27, I'll be turning 28 this year, and I realized how important all of these things are. So that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So first thing first, it is definitely my most favorite. You have to love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, then you will not do anything to actually be a better person every day. So for me, that is super important. I would want you guys to actually love yourself. Be your biggest cheerleader and be the main character that you want to. Do the things that you want to. Fall in love with yourself. Like, it is so important. And I know it is a process. It is not just one day thing that you go out on a date or you feel happiness. That is not something that's going to happen in a day. But loving yourself is so important. It will change your perspective. It will change you, who you are as a person. It will change your thoughts. Self-love can teach you so many things, and you will be so amazed at how much potential you actually have. Makes your relationship with yourself so much more beautiful. So I hope you try that. I hope you try building that relationship with yourself. Number 2, love your people. This is very important. We live such busy lives that we forget to call them and check up on them. So it is very important to love your people. Like, you have to be there for other people, like for your loved ones, for your family, for your friends. You have to be there. Like, sometimes we take them for granted, and I feel that it is so important to take your relationships seriously, because they will give you happiness. Because they are important. When I know, like, if somebody has lost someone in their life, they know the value of people and how important it is to actually have people that love you, that support you, and to always be there for them, to always stay strong with them. It is so important. So number 2 is love your people. Number 3, this is super important. Be grateful. Be grateful for what you have, because the moment you start being grateful, it will change your life. Trust me, it has changed mine. But I think when I was younger, when I was a child, I will tell you one story. Like, when I used to sleep with my grandparents, I just used to get up, like before sleeping, I used to do a prayer where I just say, बस मेरे परिवार को सुखी रखना, सब अच्छे से रहे. And that was a simple prayer that I used to say when I was a child. Like, I don't even remember how small I was. Maybe I was in 6-7 standard. That time I used to do that. And from that and there on, whenever I pray to God, I just say them the same thing. Just keep my family happy. Then I'll ask for other things. I'll definitely ask for my family's peace and everything, and then I'll ask for something else. So this is how it should be. You have to be grateful for what you have, because if you are not grateful for the things that you already have, you will never be grateful for the things that you will be deserving in future. So it is very important to be grateful. And it is not that you have to be grateful for like big things in life. You can be grateful for a coffee that you had this morning, the workout session you had, the people that you have. Anything you can be grateful of. And even on hard days, you can still find things that you're grateful for. So this is very important. 4 is always be kind. I know this is very cliche, everybody got this, but I would say that when you will understand the real meaning of kindness, like how you treat other people with kindness, how you understand their pain, their perspectives, their opinions, or maybe whatever they have to say, and if you take them kindly, we understand sympathy, empathy, and all of those things with that. Why it is very important to treat yourself with kindness, and also you have to treat other people with kindness. Kindness is important because you don't know what other person is going through. You don't know what are their problems in their life, what they are dealing with. So it is always important to be kind. because if you are kind to other people, then only they'll be kind to you, and also you have to be kind to yourself. So this is like a full-on circle that you have to understand. Like, just be kind, because kindness always comes back in some way or the other, I feel. Number 5, this is my favorite, and this is like literally me. Like, always stay curious. You have to be curious. Like, I'm such a curious person. Like, I want to know everything. I want to know about everything that is there under the sun. Like, that is me. So that is why, to stay young, to stay updated, to stay relevant, to actually stay on top of things, you have to be curious, because obviously you can't know everything. You will not know about certain topics. So it is always important, like when somebody tells you something that you don't know, you always respond back with curiosity, so that they also know that this person wants to learn, or this person is actually learning. So this is very important. Always be kind. This will keep you young, happy, and I think, yeah, for me, curiousness is very important. Like, I'm really a curious person, so I really like curious people. Number 6 is important, is because it is, you have to take care of your health. You have to take your health seriously. Some health issues definitely are not in your hands, some are in. So try to maintain this body that God has given you with kindness, with love. Like, do your workouts, eat well, sleep well, rest well, because all of those things that you are doing for your body right now, your body will thank you later. Ourselves like that, we don't work out, we just eat all the unhealthy food that is there in the world. It is important to take care of your health, to drink water, to take supplement, to actually do strength training, yoga, whatever suits you. Like, you really need to do these things. If you are healthy, then only you will be able to enjoy your life, because you don't want to be that person when you will have like kids, or when you will grow old. You don't want to be dependent on other people. You want to be independent, you want to feel independent. For that, you have to work out every day. So that's it. Number 8, always do things that makes you happy. Like, now you will say not everything can make you happy. Yeah, no, everything cannot make you happy, but some things are. But always you try to do things that makes you happy. Like, if for example, if you like listening to music, listen to good kind of music that makes you happy. Like, dance, sing, watch movies, read books, whatever. Do not lose those things that makes you happy. In a day, find a certain amount of time that you should give to the things that genuinely makes you happy. Maybe your morning tea, or maybe your morning coffee, maybe just going for a walk, your workout, anything. Yeah, workout is obviously mandatory, but anything else, like, watching TV, these are things. If they are watching Friends, anything that, that kind of like makes you, do them. 9, it is important because you have to learn from your mistake. Understand that this is the life that you're given, and you will make mistakes. It is not something that I am not prone to, or everybody makes mistakes. I have made some mistakes, I remember, like when I was young. But if you are not learning from those mistakes, that means you're doing something wrong. And if you're repeating those mistakes, then also you're doing something wrong. So it's okay, you will make mistake, but to understand what's the lesson behind it, to not repeat that again. So that is why it is important to learn from those mistakes and to not repeat them. You will grow as a person. That is how you become more wise. Number 10 is just listen to your voice and speak it out loud. Like, you have to, because we all have a voice, and we really need to use that voice for the greater good of the society, of yourself, of your people. Like, a lot of times I see young girls and some people who just don't know how to speak up. Like, they will not say things, even I was that person. I was always this person who never used to like ask questions when I was in a class. I was someone who I didn't used to say anything when something was happening wrong in front of my eyes. But now I think I have a voice, and it feels so empowering to have a voice, because there are so many people who don't have a voice, and if you can be voice for them and even for yourself, you will really understand like how important it is. Like, literally, it will change your life. People will take you seriously, because when you don't say what you want, people will not take you seriously. It is important to have a voice, to say what you want, to tell them that what you expect of them. So you tell them like, this is something that I don't like, this is something I like. So always remember that you have a voice and you can tell other people. You can, if you're not able to tell everyone, tell at least your friends, your parents, anyone. Tell yourself. So that is why it is important to have a voice. And one last little advice that I would give: you deserve everything. You deserve everything you wish for, because there is nothing called like you don't deserve this. No, everyone in the world deserves what they want. It's just the right timing, the right people, the right things that happen, or maybe that don't happen in your life for the greater good. So always trust God's plan and know that you deserve the world. You deserve what's best for you, and you are worthy of everything. For even if you make a mistake, even if you feel that you are lost, do not even for a second take yourself for granted. Do not even for a second think that you're not worthy of that thing, that person, because that is not the case. If somebody is not in your life, it is because they are not worthy of you. You will always be worthy of yourself. You will get the life of your dreams. You will get the life you want. And remember that you love yourself, you are worthy of yourself, and you deserve so much more than you think you deserve. So with that end, I would say goodbye, take care. I hope you love this video, favorite part, and things that you'll be doing from now on. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I hope you learned something new. Even if you know all of these things, just take this as a reminder and just watch this video whenever you feel low. I hope this video makes you more empowered, more happy, more content, and all of those things. And keep growing, keep glowing. Love you. Bye bye.